The beer's in the keg. It took 6 months, $1,500, a lot of time, a lot of scratch, a lot of heartache to get to where we are right now. And the question is it gonna be worth it? Is this beer even gonna be good? It's the middle of November right now. Last, I don't know, February, March, we found a hop rhizome purveyor. They sent us hop rhizomes in a box in the mail. I put them in my garden. I let the sun shine on the rhizomes. They climbed up the cable. Emmett came over and did his like interpretive dance, his like river dancing for the hops that he does with his clogs. Yeah, they grew over the course of, I don't know, 6 months. Long story long, it's been a long journey to get beer in this keg here. And I hope it's awesome because a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of heartache.
We're talking $1,500.
Rhizome, trellis, brewing system, gas, camden tablet, gypsum, calcium chloride, 7.3 gallons of water, pH meter, lactic acid, fermenter, keg CO2 and tap. Ross's time, priceless. Wait, I'm Ross. My time's priceless.
Hey, I'm Emmett.
And I'm Ross.
Welcome to Clawhammer Supply, the largest homebrew channel on the internet.
On this channel, we show you how easy it is to make great beer while hanging out and having fun with your friends.
Like this guy.
And this guy.
All right.
Emmett, can I pour you a beer?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. I'm gonna make a huge mess.
Oh,
sip it. It looks good. It looks like beer. You guys brought the brew system over to my house.
Yeah.
Mi casa es su casa.
We packed everything up, super easy to move, brought it to your house.
We filled the kettle with water from my sink.
Yep. Yeah, we're gonna add a little Camden tablet, take care of that chlorine and chloramine, take care of that city water.
Did we do our water chemistry? We did water chemistry.
We just threw some stuff in.
We just went for it.
Yeah.
A Saison is sort of a French-Belgian style of beer that you brew during the harvest. Our harvest Saison features fresh hops that I grew in my garden and rosemary that I grew right next to the hops. 9 pounds of 6-row Pilsner from Riverbend. Don't cut towards yourself with the malt saber. You're gonna wanna cut away. We milled at my house.
Yep.
Dusty. Looking good. Smelling good. Looking a little doughy. Gonna have to give it the, oh, hello. Pump on. Mayor McCheese. McCheese. Only true heads know about Mayor McCheese, man. This is some old head.
What this place needs is more cheeseburgers. Yeah, cheeseburgers, yeah.
You want to take a reading, Mayor McCheese? Let's get a little pH in here. 5.6. We're just gonna add a tiny little squirt of this lactic acid. Just a little.
Cool. We mashed at 150, and while it was mashing, we went out and harvested the hops.
Look at this fatty. Oh, good. It's radiating beauty, radiating stanky dankiness. That's delightful. Here in the mountains of North Carolina, we actually had us not one but 2 hurricanes that came on up through here. And as you can see, hops and hurricanes don't mix. We're lucky to have the amount of hops that we got. I thought we were gonna have 3 times that amount based on the plants I put in the ground, and then life happened.
But yeah, the amount of time and money and effort for...
It was like 4 ounces of hops.
So somebody forgot the grain hooks, Ross.
Somebody?
So we got 2 mash paddles, well, 1 mash paddle, 1 spoon. I think if we stick it...
Yeah, and I mean, the longer your hops are in the ground, the more hops they're gonna put out.
Right.
You buy them one time.
And you have them forever.
You have them forever.
Or at least for...
Forever. When the bombs drop, it's gonna be cockroaches, Yeti coolers, and my hop rhizome.
I think we did a 30-minute boil. We used everything we had, right?
We did, yeah.
We tossed in all the hops we harvested in the beginning of the boil.
Oh, it's boiling. Here we go. One in. So we're brewing a harvest Saison. I thought maybe we could harvest a little rosemary for an herbal flame out edition. Get some of those. Strip in. There it is. Dip it. All right, looks like beer, but does it smell like beer?
It smells nice.
Is that cheating? Is that cheating to foam? I was kind of thinking that rosemary would hit the nose.
Not getting
any rosemary,
Not
really.
yet.
It smells, I mean, it smells kind of peppery.
I'm getting a lot of lemon.
Get a little like
lemon heavy.
Some citrusy. It smells Saison-y.
It does smell Saison. You get that kind of Saison yeast character.
We've hit our boil. Okay, are we ready? We hit our boil. Are we ready? We hit our boil time. Now we're gonna cool down this wort. We cooled our wort down in the kitchen.
Used a plate chiller, chilled it down to probably 70 degrees would be my guess, high 60s.
We ready to do this?
Yeah, man.
Pump on, let's do it. Whoa. I was thinking for our harvest edition, we could add one of the Jolly Green Giant's fingers to our flame out. Oh.
Is it a cucumber?
Nah, dude, it's a squash. Some sort of funky ass zucchini squash.
What a funny little vegetable. Why does Ross have that?
Now it's a harvest beer. You like that? Double dunk. All right, here we go. Let's pitch this yeast. Wait.
Nice.
We're using White Labs WLP 565 Belgian Saison ale yeast. You like that? Here, will you hold my scissors?
Yes, sir.
Will you hold my gourd?
Yes, sir.
Will you hold my zucchini?
Yes, sir. What am I doing with these?
All right, now that we've got our wort and our yeast and our fermenter and it's all aerated, let's go put it in the cellar. Come on, Emmett, you wanna go put this in the cellar? We pitched our yeast right there, threw the top on it, took it down to the cellar, sang it a song, played it a little tune. Then waited 2 weeks of fermentation did we let this thing rot? Fermentation! Smells like beer, looks like beer. Does it taste like beer? Only one way to find out, buddy. Cheers. Cheers.
Are we allowed to drink it?
Can we drink this?
Can we drink it, guys?
Huh?
Should we drink it?
Can we drink it? Yes, we can. I'm pretty satisfied with this, man. It tastes like a Saison. Not very bitter.
No.
It's pretty dry.
So Ross, the question is,
Yeah.
was this worth it?
Well, what do you mean by worth, Emmett? What is money? Was I using $1,500 to pay my mortgage, put tires on my bike, I don't know, do some charitable work, invest in my future? Or was I hanging out with my friends, putting hops in the ground, having you guys come over, mess up the kitchen, you know, hang out on a beautiful fall day and drink a beer with a buddy? I think that the real treasure was the friends that we made along the way. And I think this beer is pretty priceless.
I agree.
Yeah.
Hey, I would suggest watching another video, see what kind of shenanigans and great beer we brew.
What do you mean, like one of these videos?
Yeah, one of these.
One of these?
Check it out.
Right there.
Does that look like a heart?